In a crisis, every second counts. Knowing how to respond can mean the difference between life and death. Let's walk through the Adult Basic Life Support (BLS) algorithm, your guide to potentially saving a life. Step 1. Assess the situation. Is the victim unresponsive and not breathing normally? Step 2. Call for help. Dial 911 or instruct someone nearby to do so. Retrieve an Automated External Defibrillator (AED) if available. Step 3. Assess the pulse. Can you detect a definite pulse within 5 to 10 seconds? Step 4. If the victim has a pulse but is not breathing normally, administer one breath every 5 to 6 seconds and assess the pulse every 2 minutes. Step 5. If there's no breathing or only gasping and no pulse, initiate cycles of 30 compressions and 2 breaths. Step 6. Continue compression cycles until the AED arrives. Assess for shockable rhythm once the AED is ready. Step 7. If a shockable rhythm is detected, administer one shock and immediately resume CPR for 2 minutes. Step 8. If the rhythm is non-shockable, resume CPR immediately for 2 minutes. Assess for shockable rhythm every 2 minutes and repeat the steps until advanced medical help arrives or signs of consciousness return. Remember that every action you take could be vital in saving a life. Stay calm, act quickly, and be prepared to make a difference. You can make a difference. Learn basic life support at SaveALife.com.